In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting with Freshsales CRM in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a quick catch-up with your team or organizing a client presentation, Freshsales CRM makes the process seamless and straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and go to the Freshsales website. You'll find everything you need right there. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Now, type in your email address and continue to sign in. You're just a step away from being on the dashboard. With that done, you'll find yourself on your Freshsales CRM dashboard. Take a look at the top right corner again and you will notice a plus icon. Click on it. This is where you initiate the process of adding a new meeting. After clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear with an option to Add Meeting. Click on this to bring up the meeting scheduling interface. Here's where all the magic happens. You can now create a new meeting by entering the relevant details. Start by adding a title for your meeting. This should be something descriptive enough so everyone involved knows the purpose of the gathering. Next, set the date and time for your meeting in the provided fields. Make sure the time is convenient for all parties involved. Nobody likes a meeting request that interrupts their late evening or early morning routine. Once you've set the time, don't forget to choose the appropriate time zone. This is especially important if you're dealing with attendees from different geographical regions. Setting the correct time zone ensures everyone is on the same page and avoids any time-related confusion. Now, if your meeting involves remote participants, you might want to add a video conferencing option. Freshsales allows you to integrate various conferencing tools so you can easily meet online. Simply select your preferred video conferencing platform from the options provided. Moving on, if your meeting has a physical location, specify it in the location field. This is handy for in-person meetings, providing a specific place where attendees can gather. If there's additional information attendees need to know, such as an agenda, add it in the description section. This field helps set expectations and allows everyone to come prepared. Nearly done now. On the right side of the interface, you'll see a panel where you can add attendees. Simply type in their details to invite them to the meeting. Finally, once all the information is in place, double-check everything to ensure there are no errors. Then, click on the Save button located at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. Your meeting is scheduled and attendees are notified. That's how you schedule a meeting using Freshsales CRM. Give these steps a try, and soon enough, you'll be a pro at organizing meetings that are both efficient and effective. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.